true friend. I've known you for so long. We've shared our secrets, we've shared our life's plans, and we've shared our love. But our friends all we could ever be. We've shared all our fantasies, we've encouraged and inspired each other. But our friends all we could ever be. You've showed me the love you have. You hold me dear to you, and I as well hold you dear to me. But in spite of the hidden feelings I have for you, it will always make me sad. But now I know that friends are all we should be. Yes, I'm Roman, and that was the 40th poem I wrote. Last week you'd have seen my first poem, and I'm sure that you would have noticed some difference between my style and the quality of the poem in general, I suppose. Nonetheless, a very quick breakdown of what this poem meant to me at the time. The idea behind it is that you like your friends sometimes. Sometimes you generally like your friends, sometimes you're even in love with your friends, and that's quite okay. However, sometimes we never move beyond just being friends, and that was something that I had to learn how to deal with, how to navigate when I was younger. And it's okay to like your friends, as I said before, because sometimes the best relationships come out of friendships. Nonetheless, at the end of this poem, or through this poem, or what this poem wanted to say is that at the end of the day, I recognize that I like you. But above all, what is super important here is that I recognize that we're better as friends. It's to say that after looking at everything, I realize that you're the friend I need. You're the friend I should have. And I suppose that if in the future something were to happen, then that's quite alright. But nonetheless, what I want you to take away from this is that it's okay to be just friends. Nothing more, nothing less, that's quite alright. So anyways, let me know what you think about this poem. Often with poetry and literature, works of literature, there are several interpretations. So let me know interpretations down below, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.